You are part of nature. As you stand on this beautiful planet, remember that you are not separate from the nature that surrounds you. You breathe the air that has been circled through forests. You drink water that has flowed through rivers. And you walk on soil that has been enriched by decay of ages.
Welcome to Lake Granby. This is the Strawberry Lake. We're hiking up to Strawberry Lake. It's about 35-minute hike. For you sitting out there, life is too short. You gotta get up, get out here, enjoy your life, enjoy the time that you still have on this earth. Life is too short, so let's go. Heart rate is kicking. But let me tell you one thing. When you go and look at this bowl of ice cream, you cannot wait to eat it right there and then. But I'm having my dessert right now. This is dessert. Burning calories, clearing your mindset. This is how you look after your health. Health is number one. Money, work, everything else will follow. Health is number one. That's a priority. You and I can do this. If I can do this, 18-year-old, 21-year-old, 22, 25, sitting at home, party all night long, and then you come home and sleep all day, your life is too short. It's getting shorter and shorter and shorter. I'm 38 years old, but I feel like 18. I'll be forever 18. That's what it is. Let's go.
This hike is, we're just starting off. The elevation is pretty good. Now what we're going to try and do is maintain our speed up, and we should be there in 25 minutes.
It's me again, guys. You may be wondering, what is Forever 18? Forever 18 is the name of this channel. Why don't you hit the subscribe, the like button, and follow us for new videos that are coming. But before that, when you go to the gym, you hike up the mountains, you're thinking to yourself, oh my God, I'm tired. Why am I doing this to myself? You want to give up, you want to throw the towel. Let me tell you one thing. The secret of Forever 18 is never give up. Let me tell you again, never give up. Because in life, if you give up, you'll be a loser. You'll be a loser. And to be a winner, you gotta go through pain, suffering, and struggles. In life is unfair. That's true. Statement says life is unfair, but you can change where you are today. If you are sloppy, big stomach, you're like, how can I get rid of this belly fat? You gotta start from here. Baby steps. Start walking, start hiking, start running, start going to the gym. Wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. Let's go!
Walk up here normally takes about 45 minutes. I miscalculated it by 20 minutes. So instead of 20 minutes, 25 minutes hike, it's now going to be 45-minute hike. So we're going to try our best. We're tough. It's early morning still.
Each step you take, no matter how small, is part of your journey towards greater achievements. Start slowly, then gradually build momentum. As you do, you'll find yourself moving faster towards your ultimate goals. At that moment, you recall your day-by-day training. This training, this natural preparation, equips you to succeed on the road ahead. Every challenge you face, every adversity you overcome, expands your capabilities and fortifies your spirit. In the madness of your daily life, it is easy to forget you're part of something larger. And in the end, you run to infinity and beyond. Finally, you will reach the top. Be thankful for every step, for the air that fills your lungs, and for the community that walks this path with you, your friends, your families, with each slow and steady steps forward.